This is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Today I have this 18-inch diameter wooden panel, and I'm going to do a big bloom. That's what I'm thinking. And honestly, I have so much paint. I want to also finish those up. So here we go. Of course, you need way more than this. Even though I am like using this container, these are also PPG Multi-Pro. I just stored them in these little containers. I feel like these are way more easier to handle. So I'm going to spread some more. Okay, now let's start. I'm just making sure that my spinner is centered. Yes, it is. So I'm going to start with peach. Nickel Aho Gold. I think this is Shangria. This is Shangria. The previous one was Groovy. Not Groovy. I think that was a ganache mixed in the last one. You can see it's all about red. I just want a pretty flower, that's all I want, not too much. During the winter months, I often find that my PPG Multi-Pro it becomes a little bit thicker than my usual mix, probably because of the temperature, I don't know. So what I do is I add a little bit of water and Floetrol and GAC 800 to make it a little bit thinner. Cell activator. Different colors I added, and yet beyond all of them the nickel aho gold showed up. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, we regret not having nickel aho gold anymore, because it's a huge loss for our pouring art community, because This paint knows magic. Anyway, I love the blending, I love the center. It's beautiful. There's nothing wrong with this pour so far. So I'm gonna spin it now and open it up and see where we end up. Again, making sure I am in the center. Oops. Gosh, I spilled so much paint. I didn't realize I had so much paint here. Anyway, oof, it was a close save. I'm definitely going to resin it. It's literally fire. Oh my. Let's see how much paint we have. You can always use a stick skewer and you can just dip it and check. Actually, I don't have much paint here, so I'm good to go. But the thing is, I want to get rid of some of the blacks from on this side, so let's spin a tad bit more. Pretty. Wow, simply wow. The gold, thin gold lines, oh my, so pretty. The gleam, the glitters and the shimmers of the pigments are showing up with its full glory. So yeah, you cannot, oh my gosh, look at this. You cannot complain about this. It's so pretty. Let me bring you down and show you what I'm talking about. It looks like fire. Oh my. It would be such a beautiful complement to a very vibrant room. So this is what I see, which is so pretty, so pretty. Oh. And look at the blending of colors. That's the magic of nickel azo gold. Some peach and the nickel azo gold. See? And the ganache. Some shade of purple. And of course the gold at the center. Wow. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time. Bye. Definitely resining this one. There's no ifs and buts about it. So after it dried, what I did was I used my brush to spread some glue, and I added some glitters to the piece before I resin. And then next step I'm going to resin it.